YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And I really hope you guys are enjoying these catalog reviews. Once again, if you guys know any other tool brands that have catalogs or any websites or anything like that that you guys would like reviewed, maybe I can give my personal opinions, some prices, and everything like that. Please let me know. Drop it down in the comments. Other than that, I have went over the Gearwrench new products being released, the ratchets and sockets, and the wrenches and impact socket sets. So today we're going to be focusing on the screwdrivers, hammers, and pliers, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to try and keep it shorter. And yeah, so right up here in the top left, you have a 7-piece Torx screwdriver set. I do not have the Torx set from them, but I do have the screwdriver set, which uses the same handle design. And here's a set of the mini screwdrivers. This is actually the set that I have, 80066, and it's the 20-piece master screwdriver set. You get Phillips and flathead, and then it does include a couple of Torx as well. And then you have your stubby screwdrivers and miniature screwdrivers. So it's a very nice set. 20-piece set is going to range around $77. So it's a really good price for that size of screwdriver set. When you see these, they actually do have the option of getting them in different colors now as well. They have red, which you see here. They have green, and they also have orange. So keep that in mind if you guys, prefer a certain color. The 12-piece, which is right here, 80051, that is going to range around $65. Now keep in mind that these prices are based upon what I found on eBay, Amazon, and other tool sites, and I try and find the lowest or average cost of these. And then a lot of the products that I do suggest are linked down in the description on Amazon for you guys if you guys are interested. So next up, over here on the right, you're going to see some of their hooks and picks, and you can get certain sets, a 4-piece set, 8-piece set. I actually have this 7-piece set over here on the right. It is part number 84000 Delta, and that pick set is going to range anywhere from $20 to $40. It's pretty easy to find for around $20, so that's a really good deal right there. You got some smaller picks as well as bigger hooks and picks as well. Back over here on the left, you do see they have long screwdrivers as well, a few different sets. I do not personally have those. As far as the handles, they are very comfortable. They do kind of have ridges towards the front portion to kind of give you better grip as well, and it is a rubberized coating. So fairly nice handles, pretty comfortable. So moving right along, down here you're going to see a ratcheting screwdriver set. You can either just get the ratcheting screwdriver by itself, or you can get the big set. This is a 40-piece ratcheting screwdriver set, part number 8940. I actually had this set from Matco, which was over double the price what this Gearwrench set is, and it's literally the exact same thing. And this set runs $45, so that's pretty good. And then moving over to the right, you have the ratcheting tap and die sets. This is really nice. You don't see many tap and die sets with this type of T-handle where it's ratcheting. Very nice little set. This is actually the one I'm looking at getting. The 40-piece set is going to run $66 on average, and the 75-piece set is $170. So it's a little bit more expensive, but I also don't want to go out there buying a cheap tap and die set either. If I ever get myself in a bad situation, I don't want a cheap tap and die set. So I want this set, but I've kind of been putting it off. Into their hammers, you got their general purpose hammers, which consists of the ball peens and a claw hammer and a sledgehammer. Right up here, listed here with all the part numbers. Just on average, the ball peens range from $17 to $30, so pretty well priced there. It's got a cushion grip. And below that, the dead blows, the ball peen dead blows, they're going to range from $45 to $80, depending on the size that you get. They have 26, 36, 47, and 50 ounce dead blow ball peens, which is this is like one of the biggest hammers, that everybody loves now. It's, I want to say fairly new, but it's been around for quite a few years now, I guess. But it's a great hammer. A lot of different companies have them, and these are priced fairly well. Next up would be the rubber mallets you see over here on the right at the top. Part numbers, they have a 32 ounce and a 16 ounce. and they're going to average around $40. They have a nice fiberglass handle and a black cushion grip. And then moving down and back to the left, you got your standard dead blow hammers, and they now provide them in either the rubber handle or the one-piece design with the textured urethane handle for non-slip grip. And those are going to range, depending on the style that you get, $25 to $45 or $25 to $50. Back over here, they do have sets as well, and this 5-piece hammer set, part number 82303 Delta, that's a fairly nice set. If I didn't have the grip set that I have now, this is probably one that I would consider as well. The hammer set is going to range around $75, so that's really well priced as well. I don't know as far as the body hammer tools. And then as far as the punches and chisels, I do not have those, and I don't have the prices on those either. Okay, so pliers, you see a 2-piece set, 4-piece set, 7-piece set, and you can also buy these individually. The 7-piece set, I had this set, but with the comfort grip, I shouldn't have got comfort grip. They were, tend to be bulky handles. So if I should have purchased this set 82116 with the slim just rubber grips on them, and that's going to range anywhere from $85 to $115. And then here you can see all of the part numbers for the individual pliers: tongue and groove, slip joint pliers, long nose pliers, bent nose pliers, diagonal side cutters, all of those. Over here on the right, you have the 3-piece tongue and groove set. That's going to run $60, and that's part number 82118. And then, of course, you can buy them individually as well. It's an 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch tongue and groove, and it does have the push button as well to lock it in. Over here on the left, you have the double X pliers. I have these. They are good pliers, great for many tight spaces and stuff like that. The thing that I had to do was really break them in. When I got mine, they were a little stiff. I grabbed another set in store after I bought mine online, and it must have just been my set. My set was a little stiff, needed to be worn in a little bit. These are also offered from a couple different companies as well. But the double X pliers are going to be roughly $30. And then down below, these are actually a set that I wanted to get, but I just haven't got them. This is the 2-piece pivot force plier set, 82124, and where they have the pivot location, it's supposed to make it easier for you to cut things or grab things with a stronger grip without applying as much force. So that's why I was kind of interested. If anybody has these pliers, please let me know your guys' thoughts on them. But as far as price for the set of 2, it's going to be around $30 to $32. And then the snap rings over here, snap ring pliers over here on the right, they have a lot of different options, but with the 4-piece set, you get 4 7-inch snap ring pliers, internal and external snap rings. It's going to be forged, and that set is going to run roughly $30 for the 4. Pretty well priced there. These seem similar to the Tekton ones that I have that are no longer available. So if I ever have issues with those, this might be the set that I go with. But here are the part numbers if you need to, just buy a couple individual ones. But I believe what's up next, the next video will be over their automotive specialty tools, but that is it as far as their screwdrivers, hammers, and pliers that they have here in their 2019 catalog. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, some of these items are linked down in the description for you guys, ones that I have either used or ones that I would suggest purchasing that I believe to be good tools. So please let me know your guys' thoughts. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your thoughts and how or what you think of this video. And as always, if you're not a subscriber, please think about subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next one, and have a great day.